Today we're starting Project Poplar. It's a 2-story full gut in the heart of Etobicoke. We have 3 days to completely demolish the top 2 floors before we start putting it back together. Time to beat this house black and blue. Next, we have our structural changes and all of our framing reconfigurations.
Push it up. It's Uncle Marco. Oh, Marco! I don't think
my mask is like wet with sweat. Let's make it heavy.
Where we're going to see the most changes in this house is by moving the kitchen from the middle of the house to the right wing of the house, expanding it, adding that walk-through servery and walk-in pantry to the dining room. Our structural changes are done, our rough-ins are done, time to board this place up. Now that taping and drywall is all done, we'll put our crews there to start installing flooring, tile, and trim.
In my hometown, everybody was in it.
So at this point, we've made all our design selections and we're excited to see our vision come to life. For this project, we are focusing on keeping the house light and airy, so we've stuck with whites and neutral tones.
Yeah, I can get behind anything. Get it out, get it all out. Yeah, stretch that thing. Make it last. Least till the shop rain. Well, taxi driver.
Now that all our flooring is complete, we can have Atlas kitchens and PC installations come in to put that heavy cabinetry together.
Our goal was to make this a completely custom kitchen. From start to finish, the homeowners were involved. From the first day of measuring on site, talking about exactly what they wanted to fit in, to designs with staff in office, and even on install day, the homeowners were in and out of the home.
Now that the house is put back together, time to clean it up and install our finishing touches.
When you blow it hydro.
Stop, drop, shut 'em down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll. Stop, drop, shut 'em down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll. Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll.
We made Project Poplar heavy. We'll see you on the next one.
Riders roll.